Okay, so in this lecture, I'm going to be showing you how you can get thousands of subscribers really quickly, guaranteed. So this is actually a hack to getting thousands of subscribers guaranteed. And this is a way you can scale up your business, how you can scale up this business, because this will require small investment. So I highly recommend you check this. You can skip this lecture for now, and you can come back once you do start getting some consistent cash flow coming in from this business, and then you can invest in this strategy that I'm about to show you. So this is actually something that we talked about earlier in this course. So you can leverage this and make even more money, invest in this and make even higher profits and higher, create better channels, bigger channels, and then sell them for more. So what you can do is just search for those SMM panels that we talked about earlier, and you can use this for both monetized and non-monetized channels. And let me show you. For example, you can pick one of these, pick whatever you want to. I'm not gonna tell you like go to this website or go to my affiliate link or anything like that. You can pick whatever SMM panel you want to, whatever you like the best. For example, like let's try this one. Let's see how it works. Let's take a look at their services, how much their subscribers cost and stuff like that. So we will be buying subscribers for like $20 to $30, and then like combining the organic subscribers and the fake subscribers, and maybe like buy 1,000 subscribers for like $20 to $30, and get 1,000 or 2,000 organic subscribers and have like 3,000, 4,000 subscribers in total. And if you have a non-monetized channel, let me show you how much people are selling a 3,000 subscribers non-monetized channel. As you can see, this guy is selling it for $250. So you can invest like $20 to $30 to just boost your subscribers to have like 3,000 to 4,000 subscribers, and then sell it for $250 even if you're not monetized. As you can see, not monetized channel. But if you got your channel monetized and then you buy like subscribers for like $25, $50, $60, you invested like $50 to $60, but then you can sell that channel for like $500 to $600. So that's some really cool stuff. You can keep the profits of like $450 or even $500, $550, keep the profits over and over again. So this is how you can actually scale up your business. And if by no means do you have to do this, you don't have to do this unless you want to. So this is not an obligation. You can do this if you want to. You can invest money in this if you want to. You don't have to. So you can find some service. Let me just find the subscribers. Let's see how much are there on this, how much they cost on this website. So subscribers, I think it seems like they don't have YouTube subscribers. No, I think they don't have YouTube subscribers right now. No, they don't have. So as I said, some SMM panels will work today, they will not work tomorrow and stuff like that. So you will just have to test out different SMM panels. So I hope you check this one. I think they have subscribers. So let's take a look at that, services, and let's find subscribers. So subscribers, yes, $25. You can buy 1,000 subscribers from USA for $25. And if you buy like 2,000 subscribers for $50 and then get 2,000 subscribers organically, as I said, you can sell that channel from anywhere from $200 up to $300 if it's non monetized. So you're keeping like $250 profit or $150 profit, but again, you're getting profit from that. And at the end, if your channel is monetized, then you can earn way more. So this is how you can invest in this business. This is how you can make small investments and then build bigger channels and sell them for more.